is your last name?
Freeman.
What is your middle name?
Evelyn Freeman.
Henry Sullivan Freeman. What is my last name?
No Papoon.
And what is Grandpa Domingo's last name?
The Minecraft Grandpa.
What's his last name?
Minecraft Grandpa.
What?
Minecraft Grandpa.
What's Grandpa Domingo's last name?
And Minecraft Grandma. And Minecraft Grandma.
What's Papa's last name?
That's Aaron Papa Freeman.
That's right. What's Grandpa Domingo's last name?
Dua.
It's not Sullivan too. It's the same as my last name. Yes. What's Grandma Carol's last name?
What is that?
You know, what's Granddaddy Wayne's last
What
name?
is that?
I know, it's the pancakes. What's Granddaddy Wayne's last name?
No, I took more that one.
I know, we gotta wait for them to cook.
That I need some more.